name is Justice Ogiti Mutachi, TED/85/19, taking Bachelor of Technology Education, Electrical and Electronics, Computing option. Today I'm going to talk about Technology Trip 1, TED to 90. The trip was conducted virtually. The trip was intended to students to visit Mombasa, but due to Corona challenges, we conducted the trip virtually. So under TED to 90, we are going to talk about 3 areas: factory layout planning, 2 industrial health and safety, 3 technologies of manufacturing systems. So we're going to start about factory layout planning. So factory layout planning is the process of designing and organizing the physical layout of a factory to ensure that all activities and processes are effectively and efficiently carried out. Under factory layout planning, we saw in the video we watched about the principles of layout planning. We also learned about the types of layout planning. We have process layout planning. Process layout planning, it organizes production process into different departments for functional areas based on similarity of their operations. For example, all welding operations may be grouped together in one area. Another type is product layout. Product layout is where we organize the production process in a sequential manner, with each workstation performing a specific task in the workstation or assembly line. Number 3, we have the hybrid layout. In this, it combines elements of different layout types, which creates a customized solution that meets specific needs of the organization. And number 4, we have the fixed layout planning or fixed position layout, which is applied when the product being manufactured is too large or complex to move. And also as we work from the videos, we learned about the factory layout principles. We have 2 principles. One is product focused layout. This is a type of a layout where the equipment is arranged according to the needs of the product and in the same sequence as the operation. Number 2, we have the process focused layout as our second principle. This is a factory layout where all products of similar nature are grouped together in the same department, as we saw as earlier, as I gave the example of welding. So in number 2 area of study, we watched videos under industrial health and safety. What's health or safety? Health is the absence of disease, while safety is the absence of risk or serious personal injury. In general, industrial health and safety refers to the safety management practices that are applied to the industrial sector. Or we can refer to the measures put in place to protect workers from occupational hazards in the workplace. And under this, we talked about measures, how workers should protect themselves during the manufacturing process. We also talked about the types of safety. We have electrical safety, we have fire safety, we have environmental safety. We also have building and construction safety. We also have process and production safety, site-specific safety, we have general safety, which are common across all industries. We also talked about the industrial safety objectives. One is to prevent work-related fatalities, ensuring continued production, reduction of workers' compensation costs, strengthening safety culture, and increasing employee meeting vendor and client expectations. The industry has various management practices that apply to the industrial sector. The process aims at to protect the industry workers, machines, facilities, structures, and environment. We also consider health and safety in three areas. One is fire safety, workplace safety, personal protective equipment, which is the PPE. The following are precautions. One should provide and maintain a safety workplace which uses safe plants and equipment. Two, risk from employees using any article substance at all times. Prevent any improper conduct or behavior. So our area number 3, the last one, employees should take the following measures during working, as showed in the videos. We talked about the PPE, wear safety equipment, use equipment, all machinery and tools properly, inform supervisors of unsafe conditions, keep work areas and emergency exits clear. For example, during fire outbreaks, all fault. And number 4, not be under the influence of drinks or drugs in the workplace. Also, the trainees should be all proper trained how to use the machineries and equipments. Lastly, we are going to talk about our last area is under technologies for manufacturing systems. First, we will start by defining what's manufacturing systems. Manufacturing system technologies are rapidly evolving and becoming more advanced during manufacturing process of goods. So, due to rapid pace of the evolving technology, a large number of industries rely on manufacturers to turn raw materials into items they need for daily operations. Under manufacturing technologies, we have 3D printing, we have robot companions, we also have the CNC machines, we have the DNC machines, we also have the AC machines, we also have the robots, and the DNC software are used to manage and transmit the machines readable codes to the CNC machines. And we also have the computer numeric control machines. Those are the CNCs. The CNCs are machines that save the machine readable code and perform manufacturing process. Under the technologies of manufacturing systems, we also have computer-aided manufacturing software, which is CAM. It's used to create tool parts and convert CAD design into machine-readable codes. We also have the CAD, the computer-aided software, which is used to create 2D or 3D designs of the product or component that needs to be manufactured. And we also have the PLCs, programmable logic controllers. They are used to control the equipment. They are used to control the operation of machines, such as turning on and off, and controlling speed and positioning. We also have machine vision systems, which are used for quality control purposes, such as inspecting parts or identifying defects. Other technologies of manufacturing systems, we also have robots, which are used to automate tasks that are so hazardous to humans. So they are used, especially as we watch in the videos, they are used to work under, to do the work that is so repetitive and so hazardous or chemical that humans cannot come in contact. So they are used to work in the automatic task. And lastly, we are going to talk about, we are going to summarize the work. So from the start, we talked about the factory layout. We also talked about industrial health and safety. And lastly, we have talked about technologies on manufacturing. So layout planning is part of factory planning, often as a medium to long-term horizon in control to factory operation, which is frequent based on day-to-day consideration. So we can summarize that safety and health issues in industries are complex, and factory companies must make a proactive approach to identify and mitigate potential. Also, from the videos, we can conclude that workers or employees in factories and for manufacturing should wear correct PPE, personal protective equipment, or full protective gear during working. So we have come to an end of the summaries of the videos. Thank you.